Hi, welcome to Stock Trading Skills. Today in Bank Nifty, we have observed a serious breakout, a serious breakout in Bank Nifty of a trend line. This may lead to a drastic bearish move or a pullback and then bearish move, or it may again go to bullish move. Let us check how I analyzed Bank Nifty for this big bearish move. If you see this trend line, Bank Nifty is supporting this trend line in bullish trend line from end of the May to till yesterday. See, if you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It supported this trend line for 4 times. Hence we confirm it is a perfect trend line for Bank Nifty. If you see today, Bank Nifty just broken this trend line here, right? See, just break this trend line today. It tried to go in bullish move, but it failed. Bears taken that upper hand and brought Bank Nifty to break the trend line. If you see, if this bearish move is confirmed tomorrow, either we can say it may take a pullback or it may continue, but I suggest you people to check whether it is taking pullback or continue rally in bearish move. How can we confirm? If you see this, if you see this line, if you see this line, it has respected many times by Bank Nifty. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, so 5. So it has taken this horizontal support also. If tomorrow it take pullback and continue in bearish move, we can confirm that it is a bearish move. Or else if we taken this support and turn back, let us wait for a bearish move in future, because we can say it is a retest like that. We can confirm this bearish move in different aspects also. If you check this, if you check the option chain, you can see there is a drastic increase in open interest at calls. You see how much open interest has built. Let us see at 22,000 today itself, 7,77,000 open interest has built, and totally 13 lakhs of open interest at 22,000. If you check at support, 21,600 and 21,500 are trying to act as support, but I can't say there is a huge amount of open interest. If you see, there is a open interest over here which built today, but we cannot say this is a huge amount of open interest. Of course there is a huge amount of open interest at 21,600, but we cannot expect this as very huge. I feel tomorrow there is a break of Bank Nifty. It may fall at least till here, and next target would be according to this channel, the target may be, we can take this height as target, and if you see in and around 19,000, if we can consider 19,000 as at least 19,300 levels like that as the target for this break, channel break, bullish channel break, and we can expect a pullback over here, and it may go further bearish or it may go up, but I expect for this channel at least this should be the target. In the same way, if you see Nifty, it has taken this resistance and this trend line as resistance and this trend line as support, and if you see today it broke this trend line, which is small trend line, and coming to major trend support trend line. I usually respect 200 moving average very much. This red line, red color exponential moving average is 200 moving average, and 50 blue color is 50 moving average, exponential moving average. Usually I respect 200 exponential moving average very much in 30 minutes candle. If you see, it has taken support here and went up, and again if you see here, it taken support twice for 200 moving average and again went up. Tomorrow I cleanly observe whether it takes support of this level or this 200 moving average, and I take action further. Depends on this break, either it go up or down. I hope this analysis you like, you people might like this. I request you people to please like the video and give me some encouragement so that I can make further videos, and please make sure to subscribe our channel. Feel like it's our channel, I don't feel it's my channel, it's our channel to increase our technical analysis. That's all for today, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching the video. Happy trading. Bye.